Good day everyone, I am Sir Philip. Welcome to our video lesson in physical science wherein you can learn science in fun and easy way. And our topic for today is all about light.
Let there be light.
At the end of this video lesson, the learner should be able to describe how the propagation of light, reflection, and refraction are explained by the wave model and the particle model of light. Light of the world, you step down into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see. Hi everyone, are you familiar with that song? That song is entitled, Here I Am to Worship. That song tells us that Jesus Christ is the light of the world, wherein whoever follows Him will not walk into darkness. In relation to science, that song also tells us how light works. And that is, light helps us to see. You suddenly look down and you see a mug of coffee. Your eyes and your brain are collecting information about the mug. You can see the color, the size, the shape, and many more. How exactly this happens? Well, it's because of the two behavior of light, the reflection and refraction. Reflection is the bouncing of light when it reaches a reflecting surface or the boundary between two media, while refraction is the bending of light as it passes from one transparent substance into another. Then, how do we start knowing about light? Well, the ancient Greeks were the first to talk about what light is, but less scientific. Some Greek philosophers like Plato and Pythagoras thought that light originally came from our eyes. And guess what? Sabi nila, may maliliit na mensaherong lumalabas sa mata natin and then kukuha ng information. Then babalik sa mga mata natin. For real? Plato? Pythagoras? Charot. Well, it took over 1,000 years before an Arab scientist named Al-Hazan discovers that eyes were collecting light and process it to our brain. That sends messengers to collect informations. According to Al-Hazan, most of the things we see, like the mug, were just reflecting the light from the sources, like the sun, or a light bulb. Just like this one, we see things because light were reflected. The light that hits our eyes originally from source of light like the sun. It bounces back to the surface of the object and it go to our eyes. Pretty cool, huh? But what exactly a light is? How do we see things because of it? Is it a particle like an atom? Or is it a wave? Scientists spent several hundred of years to answer this question. Isaac Newton is one of the earliest. He said that light is composed of tiny particles called corpuscles that travels in a straight line. But scientists did serve of experiment that this theory is wrong. Example is this one. Two beams of light that cross paths don't interact at all. If light is composed of particles, then the light from beam A will bump into the light of beam B and will crash to each other. But it doesn't happen. You can try it using two flashlights. At heto naman ang mga nagpahiya kay Isaac Newton. Charot! René Descartes and Christian Higgins. They believe that light is a wave. They explain the concept of refraction with the assumption that light is a wave. The refraction of light was due to the difference in speed of wave in the different media. Well, understanding that light is a wave leads to the explanation of what color is. Like this one. I see different colors on the mug because colors has different wavelength.
Settled then.
So it's
Light is a
settled then.
wave, right?
Light
Not
is a
so
wave.
fast.
Well, not so fast. The wave model of light cannot explain all of the light's characteristics. Just like when object emits only certain frequencies of light when heated. This led to the study of Max Planck, wherein matter can gain or lose energy only in a small specific amount called quanta. Quanta or quantum is the minimum amount of energy that can be gained or lost by an atom. So, what is our conclusion now about light? Well, according to my lolo, Albert Einstein, he proposed that light has a dual nature. A beam of light has wave-like and particle-like properties. A photon is a particle of electromagnetic radiation with no mass that carries a quantum of energy. So, what is light? Okay, light today, scientists accepts that light is both a wave and a particle as it has the attributes of both. This is called the wave-particle duality. And that is our topic for today. Now, I've done my part, it's time to do yours. Okay, let us investigate like Detective Conan. Here is your activity for today. Before I end this video, I just want to share this beautiful quotation to you by Jawaharlal Nehru. We live in a wonderful world that is full of beauty, charm, and adventure. There is no end to the adventures that we can have if only we seek them with our eyes open. Thank you very much for watching.